Hi and welcome to Focus Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how to make YouTube shorts and TikTok videos in Filmora, only using all the stock footage and text from Filmora. For anyone new to shorts and YouTube videos, you primarily want to make sure these are vertical, which we'll go through, 1 minute long maximum, short and snappy, and keep the attention of the viewer. This will help the algorithm keep people engaged and move on to other shorts that you've created. Once you've started a new project in Filmora, you want to go up to File, Project Settings, go to Aspect Ratio, hit the click down box and go to Vertical Settings. This will give you the correct settings for all shorts and TikTok videos. Once this is done, you will notice your media panel drops to a vertical black box. This black box is going to be the viewing panel, which everyone will see from your video. Now, using the stock media, I'm going to take this media into the timeline and resize it in terms of what the black box will show. This can be tricky if you're using a longer aspect ratio when you initially film, so bear that in mind please, because you're going to lose a lot of the side paneling from it. You can collapse your media to make it smaller, but this will be less engaging for the viewer. Once this is done, please remember that YouTube Shorts have all the text of the creator and the title at the bottom of the video. Personally, I like to leave a black area at the bottom to allow this to pop when the viewer is looking at it, so they can see the name of the channel and the title clearly. To add text, just simply drag a text that you like. If you want to put a special message to the viewer that's viewing the video, put it in a place where it's not going to obscure the vision of the actual video itself. Again, this will stop people from keeping engaged with the content that you're trying to produce. Try to put it in a place where it will not take their eye away from the content itself, but still be in a place where they can notice the text. So this is how you make a YouTube short and TikTok video. Very simple and very fast. For more tutorials, please subscribe, leave a like and comment if you want to see any other sort of tutorials on Affinity Pro, DaVinci Resolve or Filmora Wondershare.